Oh boy. So we're at the point with this build went from a dream to a reality. This is the part where everything becomes real, you could say.
This is the point of no return. Once we go to single turbo, there's no going back to twins.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and in this video, what I got for y'all today is part 1 of the single turbo install. Today we're going to be test fitting the turbo manifold, and we're going to see if everything goes well today. Today we're going to be doing a POV style video to give y'all more of a hands-on view of things and see what I do. Without further ado, hope you guys enjoy the video, and then I'll see you when we install this. Alright, basically, so here's where we're at. We already did the twin turbos, right? I'm not going to explain too much on the twin turbos because there's many good explanation videos out there for that. But this is where we're at so far. All drain lines in, all feed lines in. And all we got to do right now, we're prepping the manifold. All the hot pipes right here too. For right now, I'm just going to put in these bolts real quick for the turbo. Then we're going to start test fitting this into there. So let's get it done. So we got the studs in. Now we're going to try to put this in. Light, of course. We need light to work under a car. So here's my office, guys. Gonna drag this in.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Man, okay, you know what? First off, there's tape right there. Oh my goodness. Good old handy dandy tape finna be in the way and cause the whole engine to blow up. Alright, let's try this one more time. Get it. Alright, so this looks pretty spicy right here. Oh yeah. Let me see how it looks like from the engine bay. Oh boy. Oh yeah, that shit finna look crazy. You can see where it says speed tape. Ooh boy. Stop playing. Oh damn, I forgot to plug up these holes now thinking about it. But that's how it's looking. One step closer to the finished product. And looks insane. Now thinking about it, I wonder if this shit finna for real fit. Damn. No clue what you torqued them here. God. What were you torqued down to, brother? Golly. Probably gonna look a little awkward for y'all, but we're basically looking at the manifold upside down here. Just doing a hand tight for right now because we might have to move it in or out in case. Alright, we're gonna torque this down. So entering 6 and 13. Almost fell right on my face. Would have been mad as fuck. So I found first couple problems. Torquing these was gonna be a pain. I might have to find like a specific tool or something. Cause look, hitting right on one of the tubings. This is the tedious part about this turbo kit install. What is this? Let's go. Oh, this hand, my left hand was cramping. Hey, but we got that bolt in. That's the one that we shortened, and that was a real pain to put in. But we got it because we just have G's like that. Yes, sir. You see? Okay. Let me get all the ones that almost fell on my face and knocked me out. So I think all the hard ones to put on were right here. So I think I'll be good so far. Putting everything else back on. Okay. Install the remaining on the top here. So some should be right there. Right here. Oh, don't tell me. So originally, I didn't put one of those right there. But I guess when my dad went down there, he put an extra little one right there. I'm pretty sure he did install it, which I don't think should be an issue. It's not like it rubs. I mean, I don't think it'd be a problem. That's really frustrating. I mean, I can literally put my finger in there, so I think I'll be fine. I'm not gonna take that off just to remove one stud. I can put my finger under and like around the hole or the stud on the manifold, so I don't think it's touching metal. It's just there, and I can't put the nut on there. So okay, we do not install one right there. I did have it off, but I guess when my pops was torquing everything down, he installed it. Which, what can you do? So we're just gonna move on. Boom. Alright, we got all them installed. Okay, that was a pain, I'll tell you what. She looks sexy, so I can't complain. Sometimes the prettiest ones are the most difficult to handle. Motherfucker. That shit fell straight on my face. Oh my god, and of course he tried to fall on my face. It's gonna be a lot of bolts falling on my face for some reason. Or it has been for some reason. Perfect, we got everything torqued down. So we're at the point with this build, went from a dream to a reality. Because right now, this is the part where everything becomes real, you could say. Only one issue is that one stud that we weren't supposed to put in is in. I don't think it'll be a big issue because I can put my whole finger under there. Now, comparing to how this fits better than the twins, I'd say this is a little, well, the twins were more snug. This was a little bit more easier to put on just because you don't have to put all the oil lines and everything onto the actual like turbo, and like literally the turbo on the twins were literally like the manifold and the turbo were like together. The manifold is a little bit bigger, a little bit more spacious. Some bolts you can't reach to, so you got to use a wrench instead of a socket to torque it down, but we got it in. That's the whole point.
What the hell is even that?
Now I do got some parts that I ordered that are still coming in right now as we speak, and then we should be good to go in a couple days when everything delivers. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Sorry for cutting it short. I just wanted to get a head start on the install because I was dying to see how everything would look, and also get a head start before all the parts come in so we can finish the build. Let me know if y'all like the POV style video. I'm gonna be doing more on part 2 of the single turbo setup. But until then, hope you guys have a good one, and I'll catch y'all on the next one on part 2 of the single turbo install. See you guys till then. Today we're gonna be doing a hands-on. Oh my god. Today we're gonna be doing a POV. Oh my god.